Hey guys, welcome to Tactor's tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn about how to create 3D animation in Figma. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So if you're searching for a cutting-edge design and collaboration software, just click the link in the description box below to sign up and get started with Figma today. Now for us to be able to get started onto our tutorial, you'll just need to head first onto the editing page of Figma. Now, right after, we'll need to prepare two frames for that one. What we'll need to do is we'll head here onto the plugin and let's try to search for Unsplash so that we could go ahead and get some photos for a 3D animation. Now, as you can see, you'll just have to click onto the photo and edit it in here onto your frame. Now, once you have the photo added, what you'll need to do is you'll just need to duplicate the frame. You could just copy that one out and paste it, and onto the second photo that you have, you could drag it like that so that it would move and it might show some animation once you hover or once you added an interaction to that one. So you can leave it like this. And then right after, here onto the interaction, just click onto this plus sign. So let's click first onto the first frame, which is this one. And then this is our flow starting point. So let's add in a flow one in here. And then right after this plus button, we're gonna go ahead and click onto that. And onto this arrow, we're gonna go ahead and click onto on tap. And then right after, click onto smart animate for that. Adjust also the different duration for this. So you can leave it to 500 ms. And then right after, it should show you an animation that once you click onto this, it will gonna go ahead and try to move onto this one. Now let's do a quick preview for that. And as you can see here onto the preview, once you click onto this, it will go ahead and animate the photo for you. And that's just basically it onto using the smart animation 3D animation onto Figma. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you until our next video.